Nature is a wonderful thing. Anyone can enjoy nature from just about anywhere. Like a backyard, perhaps, where there are plenty of little birds and wildlife to enjoy from the back porch. But today's adventure, we're going beyond the back porch and going straight to the forest. Deep into the forest, to discover a quite elusive bird known as the blue Booboo bird. With its long neck and muscular legs, this flightless bird makes its way across the forest floor quite gracefully. And at the slightest bit of trouble, this bird can play dead like a possum. There he goes. See how lifeless-like he looks in his eyes to deter predators? Oh, and he's off again to find his hiding spot. Be careful, little one. There may still be danger around. Today we follow him on his adventure to the local watering hole, a daily occurrence. And although he has a long neck, he is just too short to reach. Time to use those muscular legs. Oh, off he goes. Ah, yes, landed for a nice cool drink. This bird may be different than other animals, but can still navigate the forest floor just like any other woodland creature. Yes, through his long day's journey, the Booboo still takes his time to enjoy his kingdom. Until next time.